Hello guys, welcome to Always Basic YouTube channel where everything starts from basic. All our videos are basic guys, so just learn the basic and master the basic. So for today, we're gonna build a simple build, a computer desktop. The client only wants a one ring fan for his system unit. He just wants a big casing, a big space inside, and the specs for this one is Intel i5 10th gen with 8 gig RAM and 256 gig SSD. That's it guys, and with a power supply Intel 650 watts 80 plus bronze. It's just a basic build guys. Then after building, we will install Windows in a manual ways. So just enjoy the video. We also sell here guys. I'm here at AlphaTech Computer in Gunob, Lapu-Lapu City. You can visit at the store guys, open at 9:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. Just come and visit AlphaTech Computer guys. For quotation, you can visit and PM the page AlphaTechzone Computers and just send some inquiries if you want to build, if you want a pre-built computer system unit, or you want to build your own. We can guide you here guys. Just buy the parts, or you can bring your own parts. We can guide you here. We can teach you a bit the basic. Just visit AlphaTechzone Computers in Gunob, Lapu-Lapu, beside Arga Cool or North Cool Air. And shout out sa atong mga followers, Abi Balbuena, Malunax, ang mga bayot. This is just a basic build guys. No more chichi-brochi, and just a simple build with basic program, Microsoft Word. We sell OEM keys guys. Just PM our page, Facebook page at all is basic, and this and YouTube channel. Just comment your questions and inquiries, or just directly message us on Facebook guys. We can do home service anywhere in Cebu. Just PM and we can schedule your computers. We do maintenance, PC note maintenance, server or diskless. We do this diskless on a PC net. Bandwidth management, Microtech, network cables, cabling, CCTV. We do basic stuffs guys. We're DIYers. For the cable management, just put all the cables behind bars. It's not just need to be cable management, because it don't have many cables. No more fans, only one exhaust fan only. For quotation, just PM our Facebook page, Always Basic, facebook.com/alwaysbasic. And We do laptop upgrades, sometimes cleaning. We do cleaning, hard disk to SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and reformat Windows 10, Windows 11, file recovery. For the file recovery, it's not 100%, depends upon your hard drive or your drive. So from this moment, guys, I'm installing the Windows 10. I'm gonna install the latest version of Windows 10, and I will create a backup later, so that all I have to do is restore the files, and it will be done in a minute. Just PM us on our Facebook page for more inquiries. We have second hand and brand new unit, and mostly brand new, and we're affordable here, guys, so don't hesitate to, and don't forget to click and subscribe.